This 2018 Jayco Octane Super Lite 161 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Crystal River, Florida, 34428 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Nature's Coast. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunkhouse, front bath, front kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.